What's going on, CamWise family? Do you think I could transform this Lexus wheel back to clean using one cleaning product? Well, stay tuned and find out. Other than that, comment down below and let me know whether it's a yes or a no. Let's get right into the video. When it comes to cleaning your wheels, you might not know where to start. You don't even know what type of cleaning product you should be using. Well, today I'm gonna simplify your detailing arsenal and your detailing hassle. So today we'll be using Diablo Wheel Gel. Now, Diablo Wheel Gel is a super concentrated gel that's going to allow me to lather up the surface of this wheel and clean it back to clean. Now, Diablo Wheel Gel works on all types of wheels, anodized, chrome, aluminum, matte, and so on. So all I'm gonna do is just open up the spout, drop some Diablo Wheel Gel into my bucket, and then I already have my freeloader right here on the side of my bucket, and I'll start dropping in all my brushes that I'll be using throughout this detail. And nonetheless, I need to set up Mr. Sprayer Foamer. Now, Mr. Sprayer Foamer is going to allow me to foam up this wheel because I don't have a foam cannon near me, and this is going to help me lather up the wheel so I just have more lubrication whenever I start scrubbing using my brushes. So just remove the head, put this on my freeloader so it won't fall. I'll get my Diablo Wheel Gel, add 1 to 2 ounces of Diablo Wheel Gel. I'll reattach the head, and that is all I need to do in order for me to foam up this wheel. Tighten it all up, give it a couple pumps. And last but not least, oh, I actually released the pressure. Ooh. Pro tip, whenever you're done using Mr. Sprayer Foamer, make sure to release the pressure. Okay, we're good to go. I'll activate my suds. So now we have suds inside our bucket, and we are gonna have suds being produced by Mr. Sprayer Foamer. So I already went ahead and pumped it a couple times. Now I'll go to this wheel. Before anything, let me just rinse it off just to knock off any loose grime or debris. Some brake dust came off, but the heavier amount of brake dust is still on there. So now I'll just get Mr. Sprayer Foamer. Sprayer Foamer. And foam up this entire wheel. Now, having Mr. Sprayer Foamer in your detailing arsenal is going to be great because you could actually use all-purpose cleaners, wheel cleaners, leather cleaner, or even fabric cleaner to suds up any type of surface you want so you can achieve a thorough clean. So give it a couple pumps more, and I'll respray the area. And you guys can just check out that Mr. Sprayer Foamer paired up with Diablo Wheel Gel foams up tremendously, and that's what I want. We want high amounts of lubrication. Now we'll start off with the barrel. So I'll be getting my red rocket, and I'll go to the top of this wheel, and I'll start scrubbing it out. Now, Diablo Wheel Gel is an oxygen-infused wheel cleaner that helps you clean all types of wheels. Whether you're a Dodge owner that you have matte wheels, whether you're a Lexus owner that has polished wheels, or the list goes on, clean any type of wheel with peace in mind using Diablo Wheel Gel. Now, Diablo Wheel Gel is more of a maintenance cleaner, and it's like light to medium. So if you do have super heavy amount of brake dust like a BMW owner, I recommend using like Signature Series. Hopefully our videographer pops it up like right here. Ding! I love it when they do that. But we'll just keep going, clean up the barrel of this wheel. And you guys can see how dirty this wheel actually is. All of that is just filth and grime. I'm gonna give it a couple more pumps and one last spray, just so I have extra lubrication to clean the face. Put that off to the side. I'm gonna dig in here. Now I'll be getting the wheelie wheel brush. The wheelie wheel brush has flag tip bristles on it. It's going to allow me to clean the face of the wheel without harming it nor scratching it. Now this brush is more meant for the face of the wheel. The intricate details, I don't worry about it. So I just go through spoke by spoke, just scrubbing it out. Just like this, I get the easy to reach areas. And then inside my bucket, I have another brush that's going to get me into the intricate areas. Put this back in here. Now we'll be getting the boar's hair detailing brush. The boar's hair detailing brush. Come in here, get some suds. And this is going to allow me to clean up lug nuts, valve stands, intricate areas where unfortunately the wheelie wheel brush was not eligible to get into. So like this, I achieve a true clean on this Lexus wheel. And I always like to go around throughout the whole entire wheel just so I could ensure I get every nook and cranny, because I don't know about you, but it's happened to me where I drive off and I accidentally miss a little bit of brake dust and then it's on the spoke. It really bugs me. So just come back, clean up everything. And last but not least, to clean the tire. Now I'll go back in here. I'll be using the Big Blue Stiffy. The Big Blue Stiffy has nylon bristles that are a little bit more stiffer, and we don't recommend using this on the face of the wheel. This is actually more for deeper, heavy clean. Come in here, and with the leftover suds that Diablo Wheel Gel produced with Mr. Foamer, I'm going to scrub out this tire. Now, if this tire did have tire blooming, I'll be using something like tire and rubber cleaner, but in this occasion, the tire was not blooming. It's more of a just a quick wipe down. So that's how I'll be using Diablo Wheel Gel to clean up this tire. And before I forget, I actually forgot to clean up this area right here. Now I'll get my pressure washer and rinse off the residue. And that's how simple it is to clean up a wheel using one cleaning product. But that's not it. I'm going to show you guys how you should be applying a tire dressing to your tire so like this you can make it last longer and it won't sling whenever you drive off. I'll be right back after I dry this tire and wheel. Okay, so we just finished drying up the wheel and tire. Now, how do you apply a tire shine? As simple as it sounds, everybody always runs into this issue. They apply a tire shine, they drive off, and they have splatter all over it. Now, we're gonna be applying Tire Kicker to this Lexus. Now, Tire Kicker is a water-based dressing. This is a dressing more intended for anybody that doesn't encounter water, or it's always going to be stored away in a safe place. If you do encounter water, I recommend using like an oil-based dressing. Oil and water don't mix. But in this occasion, this is just a daily commuter. Here in California, we're not getting a lot of rain. It's more of just like humid weather, and this is going to withstand against that. It's also going to provide a UV protection. So we always recommend applying some type of tire shine to your tires, your vinyl, your rubber, plastics. Apply some type of protectant so like this, the UV rays won't crack them or discolor them over time. But now, there's two different ways you could apply it. I'll be showing that right now. So if I roll over here, there's gonna be this method where you spray it and you're gonna have to rub it in. Now, if you're the type of person that sprays it and just leaves it like that and lets it dry off, obviously whenever you drive off, you are going to be getting that splatter. But I'm gonna leave that just for an example for you guys that are viewing this video. What's the difference and how much cleaner it looks? So if you get a microfiber applicator, or it could be a foam applicator, you spray it onto your applicator and you go to the area and you actually work it in. You can see how even this side looks compared to the other side. Now the other side, yes, it was faster, but you're going to have splatter whenever you drive off because you're having all this drip all over your tire. So here's a pro tip. You could do this simply. If you still want to spray your tire, spray it. Just get a microfiber applicator or foam applicator and go back and work it in. Because if you don't, what ends up happening is you're gonna drive off, and then after you drive off, you're going to have splatter all over your car, and then you're gonna be thinking to yourself, did I really just clean my car to have splatter? And just like that is how simple, fast, and easy it is to apply our tire shine to your tires. So if you're having that splatter problem, you know how to solve it now. Spray onto an applicator, rub it on, or spray directly onto the tire, then follow it up using a microfiber applicator or a foam applicator. But other than that, you guys are now pros on how to clean your wheels and tires, as well as shine them up using Tire Kicker. So guys, if you guys do want to pick up any of these products in today's video, such as the brand new Mr. Sprayer Foamer, go to our website right now, chemoguys.com, or drive down to your local detail garage. As always, I'm Henry, and we'll see you guys next time. Now it's time for me to roll away.